up, man?
Out here cutting grass and cleaning up.
I hear that.
Just another day.
So this one just sold up, huh?
For this stuff right here,
Been here about 10 minutes ago.
How much you say for this stuff?
Whatever it's worth to you. Just try to find you a bumper that's kind of boogered up. We'll take it off of it. We can't.
Oh, yeah, cause this is a nice bumper.
Yeah.
Hey, let the strap go. Let the strap go on this side. So look inside it.
I ain't even opened the door yet. Yeah. Of course, if you believe people's done been calling me off your page here.
I believe that. You make sure you goddamn remember that when I come out here and get me some now.
They ain't bought this yet. They've been calling. Really?
I had to get some more. Hey, give me your thing so I can take that bump off.
Let them truck, huh?
Look at that. That damn dash ain't even broke. Dash ain't got a single crack in it.
Sure,
What year is that truck? I ain't even look. Looks like a 95 or early 96.
Yeah, it's. I don't know how to tell. I just know it's 95 and later.
Yeah, you know.
Vista Pro. It's like a little brand new too.
Yeah. No, I need one.
You finna get this one, V?
Yeah.
So we just came back from being Junkyard and we got him a nice bumper. What you end up paying for it?
$50.
$50. $50, look what he got. Black and all beat up. He gonna go with that chrome right there. So that was worth it right there on that trip, wasn't it?
Yeah, that worth it though. And I got a heated coil.
Yeah. Yeah, so, what that's it? That sucker look brand new.
Can't remember if it was $10 or $15, but hell.
Yeah. That sucker look brand new right there. Came out of the same truck, so you know it's gonna fit.
Yep.
It's gonna spray some put some water in it and blow it out both sides before you put it in. But you coming along, bro. You coming along right here. Mucho took the top pieces off of this one since we got the one piece now. So we'll probably get that put on tomorrow. Yeah, that's the move right there, bro. LV said you had trouble with that song going. It was just the bolts in the hard spot to get to.
Yeah.
See, look, you're gonna have to take this off, I believe, bro.
What that?
That's your, or is it already on there? Okay, never mind then. Just need your light. As long as you got the light, which I don't know where it's at. See what I'm saying? You always look at that stuff and go ahead and change it out. Cause I think your light worked. I think I remember seeing your light, and that one ain't. All it is these clips. Take the whole thing and switch it over. But he got it off though. Got it off. So it was a pain in the ass, but he got it off. We'll show you putting it back on in a minute. Locked and loaded. You got it on. A little much better. Say you're gonna take a buffing wheel or something, get it up, but it's nice. Way nicer than what he had. Well, we moving over here. We upgrade. We upgrading stuff over here, boy. These OBS's. We finna start this OBS club. Hey, the pressure's on. Everybody finna be looking good. All right, we done missed the first job, but watch this shit. Look how nasty that is. Watch this shit. Hold on. Ready? Yep. Oh! That 2 jug.
Yep.
That shit look like Yoo-Hoo chocolate milk, man. Look at that.
Yep.
Now it's starting to clean out a little bit. Look how nasty that is.
That's crazy. We found one at the junkyard yesterday. Let's see what that one look like.
So this is the one you got from Junkyard?
Yeah.
Damn, that shit stink too, you smell it?
Yeah. Oh my Lord. Was it worth it?
Much cleaner.
Was it worth it?
Much cleaner. Hell yeah.
Gave like $15 for it. Yeah. I think.
Now turn it over and do the other hole. Do it back.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh yeah. $15 well spent.
At the junkyard.
Yep. That's a wrap.
At the junkyard.
Huh? Tell me what you got next now.
For the paint this cover, just cleaning it up, prepping it. I just washed it, half washed it. A light coat. Let it dry and we'll come out with another one.
Looking better already. Coat number 2. He got a brand new seal. We'll have to have him figure out how to get that seal in there without tearing nothing up. That come out, another one go in. Yeah, get the bottom up. That's it.
Miss this spot, son. Show me again.
So we'll be able to put that shit on. Well, no. Yeah, we can. We can put that, and then the nozzles go in last.
Hey, y'all did the sink. I cleaned my chicken in.
What look like a goddamn out of scary movie on it. No, gonna be cutting bodies of it or something.
On prison. So where we clean all the chicken at for the accompanying picnic.
New trays, new lifters. You found out which way the hole go?
Yeah, hole go top side.
Okay.
So when it spray oil out, it lubes the bottom too, because it's gonna spray out and come to the bottom. All right. If you do it bottom,
it's never gonna hit the top.
Never get to the top.
Took the rod out, right? Yeah, you took both of them out. Bingo. Bingo. We'll go ahead and do the rest of these and that'll be done. What it do, what it do?
What's up, fam?
What you got cracking here?
Oh boy, we on the degree turn. Well, first I want to show y'all this. Get you a good torque wrench. This thing failed us, what, 3 times?
Yeah.
Hit bolts off in the head. Luckily, it went bad. We just took the heads off and took them out with this needle nose. But get you a good one.
Basically, it wasn't. It's out of adjustment, I guess.
Out of spec.
Out of spec, yeah. So when you tighten it, what you thinking is tighten, it ain't tightening it.
Yeah.
Snap the bolt right off.
Yeah. Or it tightening it and it ain't clicking when it's supposed to.
So what you got shaking here now?
So we on the 90 degrees on these things. So I already did this side.
So hold on, what is this right here?
That's
LS cylinder head bolt tightening sequence.
Yeah, that's your bolt pattern.
22 pounds, and then 90-degree turn. So that's this tool you're using now.
Yeah.
And then a 70-degree turn.
Right. Okay. And these just torque. The top ones just torque down to 22 pounds. You don't touch these no more.
All right. So what's you doing here?
So we dialed in at 0. This on the second one, the 90-degree turn. We dialed
this
in.
This the thing you calling the angle.
Yeah.
Angle. Torque angle tool or whatever the hell it is. All right.
Whatever it is. So we're gonna turn it to 90 degrees. And you can't. I done messed up one of these already. So I started at about 2. So I'm gonna go to 92 degrees. Right there. When you do that for all 10 of them, then you're gonna come back around.
In the same order though?
Yeah,
all
in the
of
same order. 1, 2, 3, whatever, however. And then you're gonna come back around once you're done with these 90 degree, come back around and do it with 70. I already did these 90 over here, so I had to do 70 on this side.
So you done these already. You got to do the final pass on
Final
these.
pass on those.
Well, come do the 70 on this side then.
So I messed one of these up already. I tried to dial it back in to 0 with this stuff on it. Man, you're gonna have to take all this stuff off because you'll mess up. It's a little rubber seal right here. You'll mess it up and cramp it. And then when you try to take it back off, it'll pop out. So you take it back out and turn it back to 0.
So you take it off each time.
Yeah.
And turn it back to 0.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I messed up trying to turn
well,
it.
that's learning. You know, that's learning. We ain't never used no shit like this before. So we're learning. Got to get the right tools and make it happen.
Go back to 1.
So here on 1.
This for the 70 degree.
It's gonna be
turn.
70 degrees. You got to loosen it so you can turn it or what?
Yeah, this is an adjustment point right here. Oh, that something was so tight. So you gotta find a spot to where it won't move, so it won't turn.
This shit look like Chinese map though.
That's all I'm trying to find somewhere down to lock this thing in.
So yeah, you're on 2 right now. It's a little blurry, but so you need 70 degree turn, so you're gonna go to 72.
We're gonna go to 72. Well, look, actually when it moved, it went to 5, almost 5.
Yeah.
And the screw hadn't even moved, so you already know you got to go to 75. You know what I'm saying?
It's tough too, or no?
Hey, yeah.
That's your heads, cause you gotta have them shits tight. All right, keep going. You just hit 60. That's how the hell you measure this? 60, 70, 80, 90. So you at 70 right now. So 72, 74. Hold on. Go a little bit more. Right there. Right there. So every little nick mark is 2.
Okay.
Cause so you got 60, then 70, 80, and then you got 90. So the little nicks in the middle is 2 each.
Like I said, you won't be able to turn it with the tools on it. Basically, you really gonna have to hold it right here and turn it back to 0.
You might want to start turning it back to about, so when you put it on there, it'll go to 0.
Sometimes it won't move.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
sometimes it won't move.
And you just gotta have it set where this is up against something.
Yeah,
so it
won't move. See, I'm putting pressure on it, it ain't move.
Right.
Putting pressure on it. So this will go all the way to 70.
Oh,
60.
That's 70. Well, yeah. That's 60. We'll keep going.
70.
Right there.
All right.
That's it. All right. Tell the people what we're doing.
All right, man. For the torque the rocker arm down to 22 foot-pound while we're moving the crank. We're just gonna do them individually.
We watched
in sequence.
We watched 3 or 4 videos and I feel like this is the best route for us. Ain't that a bitch? That motherfucker went right in my damn shit. Motherfucker sharp, bro. Stuck that something right in there.
Cause they getting their hand dirty, y'all.
Oh yeah. Like I ain't the one that already completed a swap successfully. We're gonna just go on like this, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's get it. Keep in mind, we ain't never done this before. So this is all a learning process. Trying to help show y'all what to do.
All right, down.
But we learning our damn self.
That's all done. All right, y'all, what me and KJ doing, we feeling for the piston. If you look at it and see how far they go in, you can tell if it's up or down. So we just did this one. That's as far as it'll go in because the piston up.
And then it should go all the way.
Check this out. It ain't all the way down, but it ain't all the way up.
Yeah.
That one all the way down. See how far that went in there? And that one ain't all the way down. If y'all didn't know, I ain't pay nobody to do nothing to the motor. I did it all myself with the help of my brother-in-law and my homeboys.
Yeah. And we're gonna see what it do. I got faith in it though.
All right.
We've been following what we're supposed to do.
Please invest in a good torque wrench. Cause if you don't, that you'll fuck some shit up.
Oh yeah.
Lock and loaded, baby.
All right. On to the next step. Valve a couple times. Things came out pretty good too. I guess this motherfucker's supposed to. Oh yeah, it only go in one way. Oh, you gotta take the whole shit out first.
And then it dry then.
I guess put these little half circle parts in first, and the rest of it should fall into place.
Ain't that something? I don't know, like that could have been reused.
And some people do, but I don't recommend it. Not for no damn $30 gasket. You know what I'm saying? Better to be safe than sorry. That's what they say, right? Being sorry ain't safe. Remember I told you you can take this out too when the time comes.
Take it out for what?
You can take this out and get this ugly ass stem off here, and the cap go right into the valve cover. A lot of people don't know that.
For real?
Yeah, give you a cleaner look. When do these go on? Now or later?
They're going now, I think.
What size this is? 8? Cause you're gonna need it, cause it don't turn good without it. Can't turn them by hand.
Yeah, he torque too.
Yeah?
Yep. You done?
Yeah, you just gotta tighten them.
Oh.
All right, we're gonna torque these down. You remember what they torque to? I guess we have to look it up. We're gonna torque these down.
Look at that book right now. Look at that book.
Shit.
It should be right there somewhere. Back over. Right there. Somewhere right there.
100. These bolts must be torqued to 106 inch-pounds.
9 foot down.
Less than 9. As we know, last time we damn broke one. Remember? Well, the torque wrench was fucking wrong.
Yeah, them 9 pound right here.
All right, 9 then. Okay. All right. 9 foot-pounds is equivalent to 106 inch-pounds, apparently.
Yeah.
All right, we'll get that done, and then we'll see what we're working with.